Ethereum bets see unusually high $400 million liquidations as some now target $10,000 ETH. Powell's dovish tone sent Ether to fresh highs, but nearly $400 million in liquidations shows just how stretched traders were heading into the move. Ethereum's surge past $4,800 led to $388 million in liquidations, the largest among all crypto assets in the last 24 hours. The market saw a total of $769 million liquidated, affecting over 183,000 traders, with the biggest single loss being a $10 million ETH swap on OKX. Ethereum's rise to a record $4,885 follows comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, and analysts suggest institutional buying is boosting its appeal as a preferred blockchain. Ethereum's breakout past $4,800 triggered nearly $388 million in liquidations tied to the token in the past 24 hours. Data shows, marking the heaviest flush across all crypto assets. The wipeout was part of $769 million liquidated marketwide, with over 183,000 traders forced out of positions. The single biggest hit was a $10 million ETH swap order on OKX, an unusually high figure for the token, which is often second to Bitcoin-based positions. Liquidations serve as a stark reminder of how fragile positioning can be in the crypto market. When traders pile in with leverage and the market moves against them, exchanges step in and automatically close those bets. A flush of long liquidations can reset the market for a cleaner bounce, while a cluster of short wipes can fuel the next leg higher. The move came as Ether surged almost 15% to a record $4,885 after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell suggested rate cuts could arrive in September. Bitcoin lagged with a 4% gain to $113,000, while the CoinDesk 20 index climbed 9%. Analysts say the rally isn't just a macro trade. Institutional buying and treasury allocations have added a tailwind, feeding speculation that Ethereum could become Wall Street's preferred blockchain. Ether's new all-time high is a clear sign of investor demand beyond just Bitcoin, said Samir Kurbaj, chief investment officer at Hashdex, said in an email to CoinDesk. I would expect ETH to surpass $10,000 once we start to see stablecoin solutions being implemented for payments within the US. That $10,000 target, once deemed overly optimistic, is increasingly voiced as Ethereum cements itself as the backbone for stablecoins, tokenization, and smart contracts. The year-to-date gain for ETH now stands at 45%. Shaurya is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shaurya holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, Mana, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, Perp, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun.